In this video, I will show you how to generate leads from LinkedIn on autopilot. So we are going to use a comment to get strategy. So this is now very common on LinkedIn. You write a post and that post has a keyword and whoever comments gets the resource if they are obviously connected in your first degree network. Otherwise, the system just requests people to connect, and once they are connected, then it sends the direct message, and it leads the conversation on autopilot using an AI agent. So in order to do that, we first need to go to Settings, and here we'll check inside Integration if we have a Unipile account created or connected. If we don't, we just need to click on Add API Key. Select provider. This is going to be Unipile. You'll need to enter your API key and your DNS URL. Now, as the next step, you want to go inside the LinkedIn section, senders, and make sure that you have a LinkedIn sender account connected. So that's really important because that's what's going to be used in order to check that you have people commenting and obviously deliver the direct messages. Now, as a next step, we'll head over to lead capture, click on lead magnet. We are going to create a new campaign. So these are the sender's accounts. So make sure that you select the right ones. Here, you just need to give the campaign a name, set a trigger keyword. So that's really important that obviously this keyword is inside your post because the system is not going to be able to identify otherwise. Here you can basically send the resource to people that are matching the right ICP. So you can select to basically gauge the quality of the leads you are talking to. And that's based on the AI analysis and a specific product. So when you're just beginning, I don't recommend to use that. And now we need to toggle on auto add posts. That means each time you're going to create a post, whether using the autopilot or doing it manually, this is going to load up all of the posts and check if there are keywords inside. And if there are keywords inside, it is going to check if there is a trigger keyword, and then it will start the campaign. Next, we can toggle on the AI chatbot. So this is what's going to run the conversation on your behalf. Here, you can obviously use a profile of an AI chatbot that has already been used, which you will find in settings. Otherwise, you can just create a new one. So here, as this is running the conversation for you, I recommend to select a good model. Don't go for the cheapest. You can connect knowledge-based documents, so it works as a RAG agent. Next, you need to edit the first DM message. So you need to replace this link. Obviously, this is going to be the resource that you are aiming to deliver. I recommend to also add a question so that when they answer, the bot is taking over and you can get the conversation going. Next, you will see that there are a couple of different options here. So when this is toggled on, the system is going to check if you are first degree connection with the person who requested to receive the resource. If you are not first degree connection with this person, the system is going to send a comment under the comment saying, hey, I noticed that you're interested in the resource. Please send me this keyword to my inbox and a connection request, and I'll send it over to you. If you toggle this off, you'll basically be able to add a link so you can send them to a landing page, like if you're going to build a newsletter, so that you can actually get their email address and then deliver the resource via email. And here you'll see that this basically auto accept connection request. So usually what happens is that when they send you the keyword, they send you the keyword with a connection request, it gets auto accepted, and then this message goes out. So it's very simple to set up. It is powerful, especially if your stuff going viral. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.